Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade, another AliExpress haul video. Officially in my new craft room, just organizing, seeing what I have, and luckily I have a lot of the packages I have from hauls that I have not opened yet. And if you watched the previous video or the vlog I posted, I had to leave most of my craft room in California because it did not fit everything in my container. And unfortunately, somehow I have all my stamps here, but I only have about 5, maybe 6 of the boxes for the cutting dies. So I really need to open these and see some stuff because I literally have like nothing for it basically. So here are a big package of dies, which I'm very happy for. I have nothing for Christmas, and I've been on Instagram recently just browsing, and I did mention this. Oh, this is a duplicate. I've used this before. I'll get to the duplicates and giveaways just a bit if you haven't watched the previous haul, just to update everyone about what's going on with the giveaways. I've been on Instagram just browsing, and I've noticed that most of the cards people are making right now are Christmas cards. Have you guys noticed that? Are you guys on Instagram? I really love the, I guess, can I call it craft community on Instagram, because there's so many ideas, so many creative people. The things they make is incredible. I love it so much. It's so inspiring. So I was looking forward to seeing some summer cards, but no. Pretty much everything is Christmas. This looks like a California puppy, which is like the tattoo I have. I love these. They're so simple. I have a lot of those, but they're so simple and they make such a cute accent to any floral design. This is so cute. I love it. It's kind of Christmassy, but if you take away the Christmas tree, then this can be a summer or Valentine's Day. Perfect for Valentine's Day. This is so beautiful. Oh, Christmas one. A big ornament. But this, oh, I love this one. So, see, there's no edge. So I only punch a hole in the card or whatever you're cutting it out of. So it will not be like the whole thing, just the inside of it. I love those cards. So beautiful, so simple, but so elegant. Okay, so the giveaway stuff. I am going to do giveaways because I have a lot of duplicates that I just have no use for. I also have an Etsy store where I put some up for sale just because there's so many, and I wanted to widen the chance for people to get them, because I see that I did not pick the winner for the giveaways. It's a random picker, and I see so many names over and over again trying for the giveaways, and I'm so sorry that you have not been picked. I swear it's not me, it's the random picker. So I wanted to give those people a chance, and maybe if they see something that they like, then you can buy it in case you haven't won anything. So that's that. Bird. Oh, I love this one. Bird. It's a parrot. I love that it has everything little in separate dies, because usually most of these dies are just one big cutting die and then you have to color them. But I love when it's tiny little pieces and then you can actually use different colors or even pattern color paper, which I love doing. And then you can cut each. I'm out of breath. I just got back from a dog walk. Beautiful. I love it. You can take these apart so you don't have to use the whole thing. I got all of these on AliExpress. I've got it months ago, so I don't really know if they're still available, but you know, just want to show you guys like the things you can find. Also, I moved to Texas, just a little bit outside of Houston, And I went to the dollar store because they have the specific sponge that I like to use for washing the dishes. It's like really, really thick. And I have not seen that in other stores. I've only seen like the thin ones. I do not like that. And you guys, there is a whole section at Dollar Tree for craft supplies. There are stamps. I think that I saw some dies. Of course, there's not a big collection, so there was only the 4 kinds. But there are little stuff for craft supplies and stickers. Beautiful stickers. I think I'm gonna do a haul video on those two. Train and trolley. This is gorgeous. To be honest, I don't really like this anymore because it's not a size of a card. It's really good for journaling if you do like a big page of journaling, but for card making, this shape, the rectangle, I mean square, rectangle, the square shape is not very, it doesn't fit unless you make a card that's that size. Ooh, I like it. This is about the size of a card. Very pretty. Got another one of these. Squares. Squares. Does anyone live here in Houston? I would love some recommendations for food, things to do. I really like going to museums. I love that there's a little bit. Oh, looks like a. Oh my god, what is that? A stamp, mailing stamp. I love going to museums. Things to do, just like entertainment. Maybe some live music. This is gorgeous. The heart can be taken out, and I really, really love using these circle things with little stuff on it. Sometimes it's a little heart. This one's a little star. Sometimes it's just a dot, and I think those are beautiful on card making. Make it so, what I say, elegant but very eye-catching, and they're so simple. Grass. This. Balloons. Different size balloons. Okay, ooh, the next one coming. Yes, I love it. Oh my god, I love this one. Are you guys ready? This is really fun. It's mine. But if you see this, I can take off the circle, so it's the tree and the frame without the circle. I'm really out of breath. It is really hot here in Texas. I kind of underestimated it. This one, look how cute this is. I am loving this. Different kinds of pumpkin shapes, different sizes, and different faces. I love it. There's a robot one. That is so cute. They can be smiling or scared. I'm actually also really, really looking forward to seeing Halloween here in Texas and how people celebrate, and I love it. This one's perfect for journaling. And just see how different holidays are here. Yeah, I feel like in California it's more just like an adulty party thing. It's not very festive, if that makes sense. Also Christmas is kind of just, there's no festivity for Christmas. It's no like a real Christmassy feeling, if that makes sense. So I'm really looking forward to experiencing all that here. Mushrooms, definitely a duplicate. How adorable is that one? I can hang that up. There's a little hole on the top. Yes, finally, sentiments. I don't have any. I do have it, but it's not here. So I'm loving this. What are these? Let's see. Mary. Greetings, wishes, holiday, Christmas, and then joyous. Nothing. Joyous. Okay. And then we have, ooh, that's pretty. Very beautiful. Yes. And then the last one for this box, How cute is this? So I'm thinking with this, putting little faces in there. Yes, how cute would that be? Not really sure what these are for. Maybe like leaves. But leaves grow out of the branches, not from here. So maybe on the bottom. I can put this on the bottom, but I'm gonna put faces in there. Very good stuff, very good stuff. I'm glad I have some sentiments. Okay, next one is this big box. So I am hoping something interesting. Probably washies. I actually have a lot of washies. I got a little bit too many. There's a box in here. Masking tape. Oh, it's just a very thin layer of orange masking tape. And sticky notes. And then are these tattoos? I think so. I'm gonna put these in the giveaways. I don't need them, so maybe if you have kids or nieces, nephews, grandkids, you can give it to them. Cute. Okay. Do you guys buy from AliExpress? I feel like I watch a lot of haul videos from places I don't actually shop at. I especially like watching haul videos for home decoration. I see colors. What could this be? Yep, washies. Boxes of washies. Do you guys actually buy stuff from AliExpress? And if you do, what do you buy? This is an Alice in Wonderland themed stuff. So on here we have washies. I think it's Alice. It's supposed to be. Right? Because the white bunny's there. White rabbit. It's a whole box. So I know this looks like a thick box, but there's nothing under here. It's just maybe 3-4 pages of stickers. But these ones are the good stuff. Cute. And this one is so, now this is Alice for sure. Now these ones are so easy to find. It's a little bit pricier than other things, but it's worth it because you get the whole set. And you don't have to mix and match and search for things that match together. Dream and Alice. It's cute, I love it. Yep. I don't really like when there's a color on the background because I like it when it's see-through, so I can kind of cut it out and it doesn't cover anything else. Alright, washies. I'm gonna try to open these and show you guys. I think this is a gift. Let's see what we got in a gift. And then 2 more. Yeah, these are probably just gifts. And it's the same thing over and over again. I think so. I don't know. I never got washies like this cut apart. I could be wrong. Okay, let's see. Let's see this one. Oh, they're hard to open. The white rabbit. The moon is silent. These you can buy individually. I also don't want to make the video extremely long. But let me know, do you guys prefer short or long videos? That's cheese. The cards. And then cheese. And then again. Very cute. I love how there's no background at all. So it kind of looks like a sticker. Buying washi tapes is more worth your money than buying stickers. Why? Because when you buy washies, you get the same thing in multiple times. When you buy stickers, you only get 1 sticker of each. So but what if you really like, let's say, this one, and you want to use it in multiple times? Or if you make craft for mass production to sell on Etsy, or to make give back cards, then you need the same sticker over and over and over again. But when you buy a sticker sheet, like like this one, then you only get that cute little thing once. And you don't want to buy a whole stuff of stickers multiple times if you want to use that thing 4 times or 5 times, you know? So I think stickers, washies are definitely more cost efficient. These are just sets. I'm gonna show you one. They're very similar. So we got one big one. Let's see if I can show this one. Pretty. We got a little bit of shining. There are some washies that only have one of, that's it. So, going back here. There are some washies that only have one of each. This is very thin and not very sticky. And then in with it, we have 2 more. This thin one. It says random little stuff on it. Don't really like this because the background. But this, I love this one. Especially because of the text. I can take out that text, just rip that apart, and then put it in a journal in a space where I need something small that takes up the white space but doesn't take away your attention too much. So until that, these are the stuff we have on this one. Very cute, perfect for journaling. And that was it for this video. I hope it's not too long.